another interesting episode on heat ventilation and air conditioning system. Okay, so I created this in my first floor. I forgot. I was thinking I have this. So all I have to do is select all instances in the entire project. Okay, should I do that or should I just leave it? Let me just leave it. Let me add it up. Let me just make it easy for everybody. Select all instances in the entire project. Control C to copy, and now go to ceiling level 2, paste from clipboard, and let's see, I'm going to align it roughly to this, just roughly. Okay, I have it copied here. Now go to the second one, just click on this, control C again, and now open it up, paste it. Alright, so come to here, somewhere here, just roughly at the same place. And the next one, let's see it in 3D. Let's not make a mistake. Okay, that's fine. And the last one, which is ceiling level 3, which is this one, paste. Go to modify, select on paste, and now align it roughly to this place. Okay, so go back to your ceiling level again, select all the instances in the entire project, and Control C, go back to your ceiling level 3, and now paste it from clipboard. Okay, that's fine, that's okay, perfect. All right, we have all our supply and return diffusers in all the levels. Okay, so I'm going to add up a valve unit. Go to system, equipment. The valve unit are of different sizes. You can choose any size you want. Let's see which size is our control. Which size is our supply is 60 by 60. Go to edit, preview. Okay, so this one is the duct, which is this is the diffuser. Alright, so it's 300 by 300 mm. Okay, so obviously we're going to choose that of the 300 mm. Okay, select it and now place it here. Am I really in this level? Yeah, I am. So place it somewhere here, should be okay. Alright, so go to 3D. I haven't added some here. I didn't even know. Okay, the reason why I put this here is just because, make one floor plan, I added this here to reduce the amount, or how will I call it, the load of piping. If I am to put this within the ceiling level, it's going to be a bit hard to maintain. Okay, but if I put it inside the maintenance box or inside the maintenance room, it's going to be very easy and comfortable to get a mechanic or a maintenance unit to look at it if anything's happened. Okay, let's go into piping. Let me show you a bit about the pipes, which is duct. Sorry, there are different type of ducts. We have the round ones, we have the rectangular and the oval ones. It has an automatic connector. They all have automatic connectors. Okay, they all have automatic connectors. Tabs, these. Okay, they all have automatic connectors. For instance, if I drag, you can see it's connected automatically. Let's go to my 3D to see how it's looking like. So you see, this is that of the rectangular. Now let's see how that of the oval looks like. Alright, so let's have something like this. This is how it looks like. And the other one, which is the circular, alright, go to 3D to check it out, and let's see. You can see everybody has his own way of presentation. Alright, okay, so select now, select this one to delete it and delete it. Good. So I have this, which is for the cooling. Okay, you can click on this, please. Create sorry, add to circuit. Okay, this is the places to which I'm going to create my dog. Let me edit it and let's see. Okay, this is the width for this one, the width for this, which is unit height, supply connector. Okay, all right. So if I say connect, you can see it automatically connects from there. Okay, so if you want to change elevation, if you want to change the height, what will I say, from one level to another, just click on, let's say, 3500 and enter. Okay, so something like this. so it's something like this. The reason is because the reason why I could not cross it is you need, in order to join, how will I say, there should be a pipe, not just elbow to elbow. All right, so go to this please, and now let me show you what I have. You can see I have something like this. It comes from the machine upward, from the valve up to this place. Somebody will ask me, what is verb? What is it? A verb is a variable air volume, to which it is used in regulating the air within the environment. Okay, so this is an automatic regulator, if you understand what I mean. It's an automatic regulator to which it regulates the air within the environment. If the air is too much or is too hot, it's an automatic, it has detection properties. The new ones that's coming in, the new ones we have within in the market, has automatic detection system to which it detects if the air within the environment is too low, it increases its speed or it decreases its supply, while if it is too high, it reduces and try as much to reduce the volume of air within the environment. Okay, this is like the brain box behind the thoughts, if you understand what I mean. So not to talk too much inside this video and not to disturb a lot of things, we're going to stop here for this video. At least maybe from what I have said, you understand some few things. This air conditioning system is a very basic thing. It has not, it doesn't have a lot of how will I say, corners, and it is just straightforward. Is it that it's this way or it's the other way around? So it's nothing hard or nothing intense. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Let's see same time tomorrow and connect our valve to our diffusers and see how they all work together. Let's see how we're going to proceed from there. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see same time tomorrow.